Alright, so before we actually get into the functional programming or object oriented programming, we need to discuss some basic types like variables, number, string, list, and some other stuff. Hey guys, this is CP from Imaginary Programmer. So in this video we are covering numbers. So what is number? Well, I am sure you guys know what is number. Now there is two different types of number. One's called integer and then floating point. The floating point is basically has decimal included in that. So let's go ahead and write some on the screen.
Now I am going to use Python console down here for this video. We can just use number in Python just like I am using number 15. By writing the number and hit the enter, it is going to be print number 15. With numbers, we can perform mathematical operation on the numbers. I could write 8 plus 9 and hit the enter, it's going to be print number 17. What if we use float numbers like 12.56 plus 10.55? Then it's going to be print 23.11. Now what would happen when I put number in quotation? So let's go ahead and write. I wrap number 3 in quotation plus wrap number 7 in quotation. If you think it will be produced 10, then you are wrong. It's going to produce number 37. And you might be thinking 3 plus 7 is not equal to 37. You are absolutely right, not in math. When you are concatenating 3, it does. So basically when you wrap something in quotation in Python, Python is going to translate as a string, not a number. If you have some numbers but they wrapped in quotation, and you still want to perform mathematical operation on them, then how could you can do that? Basically Python has a built-in function called int, which will convert string to numbers if that string containing only numbers. Let's say I have the number 8 wrapped in quotation. What I am going to do is wrap that in the int function, then I am going to perform mathematical operation on it with another number wrapped in quotation, number 5. Now this is not produced number 57. In fact, this is going to be convert both of those into integer and then perform the mathematical operation on them. If you want to add two float number using int function, then take an example int wrapped in 7.36 plus int 5.53. What do you think answer will be? It will give you the error. If you want to perform mathematical operation on floating number wrapped in quotation, then you need to use inbuilt function called as you need to write float 7.36 wrapped in quotation plus float 5.53 wrapped in quotation, then it's going to be print 12.89. You can also perform any mathematical operation on one float number and one integer number. You just want to write float 7.36 wrapped in quotation plus int 10 wrapped in quotation. It will be print 7.36. You cannot convert text into the integer. Let's take an example. Int hello wrapped in quotation. As you can guess, it will give you the error. Basically, it's take what you put in function, it returns the quotation and then return that. I think you get all of this. That's it for today's video. If you enjoy it, please like, share and subscribe. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching.